This Florida woman thought she was getting revenge on her ex-boyfriend by setting his car on fire. There was just one little problem with her plan. The car wasn't his. Newsies partners at WFTS report 19-year-old Carmen Chamblee was captured on surveillance video before and after she set the Honda Accord's trunk ablaze on August 27th. Witnesses say they saw her ride away from the scene on a bicycle. But the Clearwater Police Department was able to identify her a few days later and took her into custody. Chamblee told police she thought the now charred car was owned by her former boyfriend. We can only imagine her face when officers told her it wasn't. The vehicle belonged to this man, Thomas Jennings. He told WFTS it was his roommate who discovered the car completely engulfed in flames.
He came running in the house telling me my car was on fire. So we immediately ran out there. He had a pot of water just trying to get it to go out, and it was too much.
Chamblee has been charged with second-degree arson and was taken to Pinellas County Jail for booking. For Newsy, I'm Katie Lank.